I noticed you've got a few trades floating around, mate. You're not doing everything by yourself anymore?
No.
You're giving that one up?
Yeah, I've got Don in.
I would have given you about a week, but, you know, like, it's taken you about 8, 9 days.
I'm a slow learner.
That's right. Are you still enjoying the block? I know you weren't enjoying it at the start.
No, I wasn't enjoying it at all.
You weren't enjoying it at all?
No.
You wanted to go home?
Well, I'd like to think not quitting, but it was like, this is not for me.
Not for you?
I was that close to just saying, this is...
Not for me.
This is not for me. I like to take time and do it right the first time. I like to get the details right. I'll do my best to push through the negativity. But yeah, it's bloody hard when you're sleep deprived and stressed out of your brain.
So how are you feeling now about it?
I'm feeling good today. If it's like this from now on, I'll be in it.
It won't be like this from now on, mate. Come on. So are you confident this week?
Yeah.
Kerry's more confident with her design?
We both are.
And the experience with the judges, once in a lifetime, as we said, never been done before, was it invaluable?
Yeah, it was amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Because if you do exactly what they've told you to do, surely they're going to give you 3 10s.
Well, in theory, but that also puts us under 10 times more pressure.
Now I've given Spence a friendly rev up, it's time to stir the pot with the other blockheads. Hello, Norm.
Scotty, how are you, buddy?
Good, pal. Hey, mate, listen, how was the sit-down masterclass with the judges? Did you enjoy that? You and Jess? You know, those 3 hours with the judges?
Didn't get it.
Did you turn up?
I believe that was all about the safe. No one told us.
No, I'm only joking.
Oh.
It was only Kerry and Spence, mate.
Well, that's what I thought. I'm sitting there thinking, God, we've missed out on the big opportunity there.
But, I mean, they can't lose, can they? Oh. You can't. Like,
you can't.
You're not going to be able to beat them.
No.
They've had to sit down for 3 hours with the judges about what they like and what they don't like.
Yeah. It's going to be hard to beat them, isn't it?
You guys can't win.
How
Neither
come?
can anyone else.
Because they've sat with the judges.
Sat with the judges. The judges told them what they wanted, what they liked, what they disliked. How could they lose?
I beg to differ. I'm competitive. I'm going to bring my A game this week. Carla and I, we thought we bought it last week, but we got pipped at the post, so...
Storage. Spence and Kerry have had a meeting, like a 3-hour meeting with the judges about what they like and what they don't like.
I know, I'm so jealous. Was it lunch? Was it lunch?
Lunch, yeah.
There was lunch. Oh.
Well, lunch and a massage.
No, lunch and their whole plans and every single room talked about.
That's it. That's it. I'm out. I'm off. Babe, where's the passport? Where's the passport? Book the ticket. We're going to Greece.